Hello my friends and welcome back. So today I'm going to do a quick plan with me in my Hobonichi because I'm a little bit behind. I'm going to actually do the week that we're on right now, so there's a few, actually it's like the middle of the week, and I'm also going to announce the winners of the giveaway from the 2 videos ago. I thought this was probably the best way to do it, so I am going to let you know who the winners are, do this quick plan with me, give you a little bit of information about the upcoming sale, maybe even pop in a few sneak peeks of the new kits that are going to be available for the next sale. And yeah, that's it. So I just wanted to get the news out of the way, get all that stuff done. So let's do the giveaway winners. So I wrote them down here, and how I pick these is I take all the names that qualify, throw them in a random name generator, and then it tells me who wins. So first one is XY Peggy Lynn, and she wanted Fall Friends but didn't specify which kit, the Happy Planner or the Erin Condren size. So if you could let me know which kit that is. And Planet Purple wanted the Dream Big Hobo kit, which is awesome because that is what we're going to use in the Hobonichi today. So those are the winners. Take a look. I'll also post it in the on an announcement and in the comments below this video, so hopefully if they don't see it, they will find it there. So just get a hold of me. I need addresses, and XY Peggy Lynn, I need to know which size Fall Friends kit you would like. Anyway, that's that. So that news is out of the way, and now we can get started on the plan with me. So I'm going to be planning for this week because I'm actually a little bit behind in this one, which is okay because I haven't been doing a whole lot of social media this week because I have been working like a crazy person trying to get a whole bunch of new artwork done for the next sale. So here's the kit that we're going to be using, and I'm going to end up going to fast to speed this up, so I'm going to quickly show you a little sneak peek of one of the kits I'm very excited about. 2 things with this kit. One is it's available for all planners, but there's also here's a little sneak peek of it. This is the new horizontal weeks kit. So if you have a horizontal planner, you will now have the ability to order kits that are specifically for, and it's a kind of a general, there's no specific sizes in it for any specific planner. So it's kind of like a general size boxes and washies and stuff like that. So I will totally, when I do the reveal video for all the new products, I will show you every single page of it, and then you'll get a better idea. But that is a little sneak peek of one of the kits that's coming up on the 8th of October. So let's get to the plan with me. I'm gonna fast forward through this and then talk you through it, and yeah, that's it. All right, so I'm going to speed this way up. This took me about 25 minutes to put together, and I managed to scrunch it all down into a 6-minute video. I don't want you to have to hang out and watch me put down stickers for too long. I'll give you any new information that I came up with as I was doing this kit. One of the things that I noticed that I am going to change out for kits going forward after October 8th. I've already designed all the Hobonichi kits for the October 8th release, so I won't make that change in this one, but for the next release, I think what I'm going to do is take out one of the flag sections from this kit, and I'm going to add in some check boxes because I noticed that I don't have any really, other than the heart check boxes that I always put on the side, I don't really have any other ones that I can kind of put around to other areas to keep track of things that I've finished throughout the week. So I'm going to definitely do that. Now I'm just putting down all my work days. Unfortunately, this is the long work week, so Thursday through Sunday. Put down all of my date covers, my date dots. And here are the only real check boxes that I have, and I'm finding that I need something a little bit more. So that is one of the things I'm going to change. And if you kind of watch as I'm bringing it in, see there's like these 2 areas where there's flags. Some are really longer and some are shorter. I'm going to get rid of one of those sections and put check boxes. I thought it'd be kind of fun to change this one up a little bit. Usually I put the note section at the top. This time I put it at the bottom. I'm kind of moving some of the decorative boxes around to give myself a little bit more room to write. And then that long section of boxes, so there's 7 boxes there, it lines up perfectly, so it gives you just a little bit of extra space to put anything that's like super important that you don't want to forget, or it's a good place to meal plan. This time I decided to use it as kind of like a everyday, this is what I need to get done, and I decided to put the meal plan down by the notes section. Because I don't really have that many days to meal plan this week because I work 4 out of the 7 days, so I only really needed 3 meals because on work days I just take whatever. I don't actually prepare meals for work days, so those will be left blank. I didn't need a ton of space for that, but that long section of boxes right there is a great place for you to put meal plan if that's what you put in your hobo. And now I'm just putting down some of the deco that comes on the sheet and then marking some of the things that I know, like I said, today's Wednesday because we did the drawing today. And so I know what I did Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, and that's what I'm going to write out right now. And I want to show you this guy, so stinking cute. So I started drawing some of the artwork for Thanksgiving, and I'll give you a little peek. So on the October freebie, you have Morty dressed up as a turkey. I think he came out super cute. My daughter helped me with the beak part because I was having a hard time figuring out how to put a beak on Morty. I think he came out super cute. So he's done. There's also Pip all dressed up with her fork and her knife for her Thanksgiving meal. And then I'm working on the rest of them. I'm going to take my iPad with me to work on Thursday, which I'm about to write down right now. And I'm going to work on the Thanksgiving table with all three of my characters together having a meal. And those will also be vinyl and sticker, and then a few other things that I'll put on the Thanksgiving sticker pack. Now I'm writing down my meals for the first 3 days. Cleaning. That was my list of cleaning. I got 3 out of those done. So I'm kind of a little disappointed that I didn't get outside, but I've got like for the new TPC sale that's coming up on the 8th. I know I keep talking about it, but I want to make sure everybody who wants to participate in it has the chance to participate in it, because you get anywhere from most shops are 20% off, and some shops are all the way up to 40% off during that sale, and it goes from the 8th, and it's like 4 days long. But there's certain exclusives that you can only get if you're a part of the TPC sale. So I want to make sure that you guys know to go over there, check it out, and join the TPC Facebook group if you want all the codes for the freebies. So anyway, that's it for this plan with me. Remember to get a hold of me if your name was put out there for the giveaway. Congratulations. I'm really excited to send you your stuff. So as soon as you get a hold of me, I will get all that stuff out in the mail for you. And I hope you guys have a fabulous week. And I will see you again next week with some more goodies. Bye-bye.